guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Tiffany. I am a mom and I am a beauty guide. So I am partnered with LimeLife Skincare and Cosmetics, and I basically just share what I love. We are an all-natural skincare and cosmetic brand, vegan, cruelty-free, no harsh chemicals, no sulfates, no phthalates, no parabens, none of the bad stuff. Just sustainably harvested, organic, vegan, good for your skin ingredients. And I got my Restock order in, so I wanted to share with you guys some of the staples that me and my family use on a regular basis, and also go over how versatile they are, how you can use some of them for more than just one thing. They really are amazing. So the first thing that I restocked was our Fresh Start collection, and that is going to get you a cleanser and a moisturizer. We have in this collection, we have two you can choose from. We have Dream Clean, which is what I get. It's for oily to acne prone skin. Or we have our Quench Cleanse, which is for a little more drier skin. I actually use that at night here the past few nights because with the seasons changing and the weather being crazy, my skin has been a lot more dry than usual. And the moisturizer I got was Lip Balm, which is again for oily to acne prone skin. But we also have Skin Therapy, which is a little thicker and it's for a more drier, mature skin. Now the great thing about our Fresh Start combo is you can mix and match. So if you have combination skin, you could definitely get the cleanser for oily skin and the moisturizer for dry skin, or vice versa. They really are great, and they're going to last you. I use half a pump of both, and if I use it twice a day, actually I only use them both once a day. I have a different set that I use in the morning than I do at night, but I can get anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks, sometimes more, of use out of these. The quality is insane. You don't need a whole lot because the quality is so good. And just to give you a rundown, like our Dream Clean is made with aloe and soapberry. And aloe, in case you haven't heard or know, it is like the wonder ingredient. Aloe is amazing. Not only is it soothing and hydrating for your skin, it's healing, but it also creates a barrier on your skin, which helps to trap moisture in place, like in your skin, but it helps to keep all the environmental toxins out of your skin. It really is. It is amazing. And soapberry actually helps with the overproduction of melanin. So if you have dark spots, age spots, sunspots, this is going to help reduce those. It cleans. It is amazing. Our Lip Balm is made with kindi oil and again aloe. It is a nice lightweight moisturizer, so it doesn't feel heavy. If you have oily skin, you know what it's like to try to put a moisturizer on and it's too thick or too heavy or suffocating. This is amazing. Nice lightweight moisturizer. My 15-year-old actually uses this also, so it is completely safe. It is safe for everybody, every age. You don't have to worry about what's being put on their skin. The second restock is something that my husband uses also. He actually asks, it's one of the products he always asks me to make sure I get because he just loves it so much. And that is our charcoal and tea tree bar soap. Now we have 4 different bar soaps. This one I love because charcoal is really, really great at pulling out bacteria and toxins. You can use this head to toe. I use this on my face a couple nights a week, or not a week, I'm sorry, a couple nights a month. Or if I notice I'm getting a breakout, I will use this. It's got tea tree, peppermint, and charcoal. So it's going to pull the toxins out. It's going to get deep down into your pores to get clean, but it's not over drying. My husband likes to use this as his body soap. He says it just feels clean. It really does. It leaves your skin feeling really, really clean. I got 2 of them because, like I said, they get used. So full head to toe. I even, I have a friend who had the grapefruit bar soap and she used it in her hair. She said it was great for her hair. So full body uses from these soap. And it smells like a candy cane. It smells so good. Okay, the next thing is another item that my husband makes sure I keep in stock. So have to get two. And that's our Due Date Face Oil. This is made with safflower and palmarosa oil, and it is so amazing. Now, if you have oily skin, and I used to think this way, I know a lot of us think that, well, I have oily skin, I shouldn't use any kind of oil on my face. So wrong. The reason that, okay, so oily skin, 9 times out of 10 is dehydrated skin. So your skin feels that it's not getting the moisture it needs, and so your oil glands go into overdrive, like trying to produce as much moisture as possible. So one, you definitely need to make sure that if you have oily skin, you are still moisturizing daily. But this Due Date oil is amazing. I use this every morning. I mix it with my sunscreen. It is so super gentle. It's not really, it's not greasy. It's an oil, but it doesn't have that greasy feel to it. It is anti-inflammatory, so it is going to help with the redness and inflammation from things like breakouts, eczema, rosacea, psoriasis. It really calms all of that inflammation and irritation down. It helps with overactive oil glands. It helps balance them out so that your oil glands aren't going crazy. It gives you a nice, healthy glow. This is also really good for beards. That is what my husband uses it for. He puts it in his beard. It conditions the hair, but it also gets down to the skin underneath his beard so that stays conditioned at the root as well. Again, my 15-year-old daughter uses this. It helps with, it's anti-aging, it's antimicrobial. It is just an all-over great product for just about everybody. The other thing that I had to restock, I had to get some more mascara. I was running out. This is our Making Waves waterproof mascara. It is amazing and truly waterproof. I wear it to the theme parks, the pool, the beach. It does not go anywhere. It stays put. And it is also made with vitamin E, so it's nourishing your lashes as well. You don't get like dry Tammy Faye eyes. It doesn't stick together. It nourishes and hydrates, and it gives you long, full lashes. Now, I mentioned that it doesn't go anywhere. It stays put, right? Well, my other restock is our Makeoff remover. This is amazing. This dissolves even the most stubborn makeup, but it's so super gentle, okay? You spray it on, you wait for about 10 seconds, and then you gently rub the makeup, and then you take it off with a towel. So number one, you're not using the disposable makeup wipes that are constantly getting thrown away. There's no chemicals. It's non-greasy. It doesn't dry out your skin like a lot of makeup removers do. And it works. It works amazingly. And it's always important to make sure you remove your makeup before you wash your face. That way your cleanser has a fresh feel to start with. It can actually get down and do its job as opposed to working to take the makeup off. So there's that. Next thing I restocked is our primer. Nope, setting spray. I have our primer. This setting spray is amazing. This is the Oil Strike. It's for oily skin. We have another one for more mature or if you want more of a matte look. It lasts 16 hours. And I'm telling you, it lasts. It is amazing. It's got some weird, I don't know how they do it, technology in it to where when your face starts to get warm, it actually cools your face down so that your makeup's not running everywhere. And it keeps it bright. It keeps it vibrant. It is absolutely amazing. It comes in a combo pack also. Our spray and stay combo. You can get the setting spray and a primer and use them together. The primer is amazing also. The next thing I got was our deodorant. Now, this is our sample set of deodorant, but today, our full size is available. So our sample set is going to come with all 3 scents that we have. We have unscented, citrus, sand, and peony. And it's amazing. No aluminum, no bacteria, no baking soda, no phthalates, no sulfates, no parabens. It is all natural. But it also has essential oils in it and vitamin E. So it is going to help pull the toxins out. It's going to detoxify your pits, and it is also going to nourish them. It's a spray, so there's no residue, and it lasts. I'm telling you guys, I'll put it on in the evening. It will last through my morning workout and my morning shower. There are some times where I forget to put deodorant on, but I don't stink. Like a true 24-hour product right here. And the great thing with our full size that's available today is it comes with, it's a refillable one. So you'll get the outside canister, and then when it's time to refill, you just take the insert out and put a new insert in. So you're not throwing the whole thing away. You're getting more uses out of that outside canister. So it's just another way that we are helping the environment, trying to leave as little carbon footprint as possible. The other thing I wanted to get was because I have a lot of our eyeshadows, but I ordered them in like individual palettes. So I got an empty 18 shade palette so I can put all of my eyeshadows in here and just have one instead of like 5. Because our eyeshadows, as well as our concealers, our foundations, our powders, our blushes, they're all magnetic. So you can pop them in and out as you please. It also cuts down on waste because if you need to reorder, you're not reordering a whole new palette. You're just getting the color itself and popping it in, and you're good to go. Now, the next thing I got, because I put it in every single order of mine all the time, is our classic lip balm. Our lip balms are amazing. We have 6. We have 4 that are tinted. We have an SPF, and then we have our classic, which is clear, no color to it. They're all made with coconut oil and shea butter, but this one has eucalyptus and spearmint, and I love it because not only is it super nourishing and hydrating, it helps open up nasal passages. So we live in Florida, so it doesn't matter how much you dust. There is dust everywhere. So I always put this on at night to help keep the nasal passages open. When we get colds, when we're sick, everybody in the house uses it. But having the spearmint oil in it, it also helps to relieve headache pain. I do this. I suffer from headaches almost daily. It really sucks. But I'll rub some on my temples, and it cuts the pain from the headache down by at least 80%. This is amazing. And then because we have a special promotion going on through the end of April, any order over $100 gets a free melon lip balm. Our tinted ones are great because, yes, you can use them for your lips, but you can also use them as a pop of color on your cheeks or your eyes. They're wonderful. So we have this one, which is a nice neutral, it's a melon color. I mean, there's really no other way to put it. We have a ruby red, we have a dragon fruit, we have a pink. They're awesome. That is my restock for today. I am going to, I'll put my link in the comments, and I will also give a description in the comments of everything that I showed you. Any questions at all, you can just shoot me a message. You can head over to my Instagram or my Facebook. I have a link in my bio there that'll take you straight to my website. I have a free skincare and color match quiz that takes maybe 2 minutes. And I get back with you personally. That's not a generated response. It's me. I get back with you and we go over your skin goals, what you want, what you don't want. Same way with color matching. I can color match your foundation, your concealer, your powder, all of that for you. And then I can help you build your cart. Think of me as your own personal shopper for free. I don't charge for that. But any questions at all, do not hesitate to leave a comment, send me a message. And that's it. I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day.